What up, guys? All right, so we're about to do a little education, a little teaching. Got my boy Dre.
What's good?
Oh, yeah, I gotta put you in focus with this. Dre, there's Dre.
You gotta put a little more light on.
Look at that. Look at that. If you, any single ladies out there, you know, if you know anyone, I got a handsome young man in here. He is single and ready to mingle.
Any unhappily married? No swiping left with me.
I'll send you his resume. All right. So it's a little setup. So we're actually right now about to film 2 videos. We're gonna do 2 shorts, 2 long form, and then we're gonna roll right into a webinar we have tonight at 6:30 for all of our ADC Pro members. So if you're not already on that, make sure you go to adcpro.com. Anyways, I gotta get to shooting these videos because we don't got a lot of time left. Let's go. What's up, guys? So we had our webinar last night. We had a great time, great turnout, a lot of great questions. And honestly, those things, like especially the Q&A when we do those webinars, they get me so excited because it gives me an opportunity to speak with other people that are passionate about adult day and are doing something special in the adult day space. Love doing these webinars. If you haven't already, make sure you go to adcpro.com and sign up for a webinar to learn more about adult day. Right now, I'm actually headed to get a new suit that I got. My first custom suit, which is going to be used as a promo / marketing piece that we're going to use. So when we go to trade shows or events or conferences, we got something to represent the brand ActivAge. So anyways, we're headed there now to have the fitting done. So I'm ready for the upcoming National Adult Day Services Association Conference coming up in October. So I can't wait for you to see the suit. You're going to love this one. It's going to be awesome. All right. The day has finally come. Boom. What do you guys think of this new suit, huh? Check it out. This is my first ever custom suit. And what I love about it is we're representing ActivAge, baby. Look at that. How cool is that on the inlining or on the inseam? And look at this. Check it out. Little pocket square, little ActivAge pocket square. So, we have a conference. We have 2 conferences coming up, one in September, one in October. Both are very important, but we wanted to be able to represent the brand. So what better way to market ActivAge than by putting it on you? ActivAge is coming to a city near you, but super excited. Thanks to Donald at Tweeds. If you ever need a custom suit, he does a fantastic job. He actually comes right to your front door, and I can't say enough about him. I've never had a suit that actually fit me. Everything I've ever worn was off the shelf at JCPenney. Excited to continue to promote and brand and bring ActivAge to this country nationwide. We are coming to a city near you, and now we're coming to you in style. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. What's up, guys? All right, so we're just leaving Peace River Construction. We got our A1A contract signed. We're sending that off to the bank, and that should be the last thing they need on the construction side for now. This paperwork stuff gets old. I don't know about you, but I hate paperwork. Let's just go. Paperwork just slows me down. Right now, I'm actually headed to meet with a buddy of mine. He is just a successful business owner. He's done really well for himself. But yeah, we are gonna actually go for a ride in his new King Air. Because, one of these days we're gonna need one of these things, So, for those that may not know, I've actually been flying since I was a little kid. My dad was a pilot, my grandpa was a pilot. And so, been around aviation my entire life. There are 3 things in my life that I absolutely love. It's the beach, it's aviation, and business. And, if you can talk about any of those 3 subjects, then we probably can talk about something. If not, then I don't have a lot to talk about. What's up, guys? All right, so we got back from flying. It was good because we had the opportunity then to really spend some time discussing the future of what we're going to be doing with ActivAge. Kind of like what next steps should be. When you're in the process of growing a business, scaling a business, and you're in the thick of the operations and all the problems and all the just heartache of scaling it, you don't necessarily see sometimes exactly how to get from point A to point B, or what's the best thing you should be doing. So long story short, sometimes getting some perspective from an outsider that's not part of the day-to-day, that's not like part of the ups and downs and the heartaches and the chaos, it just gives you the perspective you need to make clear and just really clear and definitive. This is the end of our first vlog style content, so I hope that you enjoy it, and if you do, let us know. Anyways, guys, that's it for now. It's Friday. Hope you all have a great weekend, and we will see you next week. Peace.